Ah,
Okay, so we were doing the verification of the three types of angles that we studied. What were they? What were those three types of angles? Can any one of you tell me real quick that we saw in the previous session?
ma'am, it was the same as the last class, ma'am.
Yes, corresponding angles,
All
alternate, and
interior.
yes, interior angles. So we saw the
And
verification
what
corresponding. Yes, Anand.
now I was just gonna say that we mainly focused on the verification for corresponding angles and alternate angles.
Yes, and today we will learn about the verification for interior angles. Okay, verification for interior angles.
We did alternate and corresponding yesterday, right?
We did the verification for corresponding and alternate angles. Okay, now what are interior angles? Like I have explained before, interior angles are those angles which are made on the same side of the transversal, okay, between two parallel lines, okay, made on the same side of the transversal, whose sum is like the sum of those interior angles is equals to 180 degree. Okay, the sum is 180-degree. So we will do its construction and we'll do the verification. Okay, so I am going to make it, all right, and follow the steps, and you can do the construction with me. First, draw a
Um,
line of any measurement. Draw a line of any measurement. Name it L1. Name it L1. Now, make 2 points on this line, A and B. Make 2 points on L1, point A, and point B. Now, from point A, put your protractor on the A point and make an angle of 70 degrees. Okay, put your protractor on the A point and make an angle of 70 degrees. Don't cut through the line L1. Okay, right now.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Okay. Now, from the point B, place the center of the protractor on the B point and make an angle of 110 degrees.
so
Make
first one
the
was what?
angle
From A was
uh,
what angles?
from A, it was 70 degrees. Center of the protractor at A point, you have to make 70 degrees. Then from the B point, you will make 110 degrees. From the B point, make 110 degrees. So here it will be 70 degrees.
Then both are 70 degrees then.
No, Simeon, this is 110 degrees.
Ma'am, I made the 110 the other side.
Yeah, on the other side, on the
Ma'am,
right
I
side.
also did it like this, ma'am.
I
You
did it
also
like
did
this,
it like
like
Yeah,
a
I also
Edwin.
did like that.
place your protractor on B and read it again. Where 70 is there, read it again.
Do we have to remake it?
Mm, do you have to remake? Yes, you will. Please remake. It will be like this. Okay,
Okay,
got it?
I made it again.
1 minute, ma'am, I'm still making.
Okay, make it. I'm waiting. You can extend the line of P further. That's cutting the line L1.
Yes, ma'am. Done it like this, ma'am.
Done it like this. Okay. Now, we will name this line as L2, this line as L3, okay, and this point as P, and here this point as,
You erase the B.
yes, 1 minute, okay. So now angle PAB is how much? 70 degree, and angle, let's name this point 2. This will be QPA. Angle QPA is 110 degree. Okay. So now they are both interior angles. Okay. Angle PAB and angle QAP are interior angles. So their sum is how much? 180 degree. Because the interior angles which are made on the same side of the transversal are equal to 180 degree. Okay, so we can write it like this: angle PAP plus angle QAP is 180 degree, and 70 degree plus 110 degree equals to 180 degree. Okay, hope this part is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
So
Okay,
PAB
so
and QAB should together make 180 degrees.
yes, that is right, Simeon. And this line now you can extend it with a dotted line. 1 minute. Okay, so now these parallel lines are like this. 1 minute. Yes, these parallel lines are slant like this. So the angles are being made in between them, right? In between these two. Okay, inside them, if the lines are like this and transversal is cutting like this, okay, then the angles inside it, or if transversal is cutting in a straight way, if the transversal is cutting in a straight line, then the interior angles will be the angles that are in between the parallel lines. Okay, those will be the interior angles. All right. Okay. So one question I'm going to give you right now. All right. First write this statement. Write down the statement. If a transversal intersects, if a transversal intersects two lines in such a way, two lines in such a way that sum of interior angles on the same side angles on the same side is 180 degree, then the lines are said to be parallel. It's 180 degree, then the lines are parallel. The lines are parallel. Okay. Hope this is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, hope you guys have written it and the diagram is done.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Abraham, do it, do it, do it. I'm waiting.
Oh, okay,
Do
I'll
it.
do it, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm already done with this. I wrote it
Okay,
down.
Simeon. All right.
16.
Just let me know once you've written it, and then we'll try out one question.
The sum of interior angles.
Done, Abraham?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, thank you.
Okay. Every written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to make a figure, okay? And you guys have to answer it. All right, you guys can draw the figure also.
Ma'am, who's drawing all those lines?
I'm drawing, and it's a part of your question. Okay, now I'm going to name the angles. Okay, these are the angles, 8 angles I have marked in this question. Now you have to identify the angles marked by, like which kind of angles are these two. I'll be giving you pairs of angles, one pair of two angles. You have to identify which category angle it is. Okay, identify the
Ma'am, you didn't
angle
write 6.
because six is not there. Okay, it's just four here, then five on the second line, and then two on the third line. Okay, angles marked by.
Which are these angles?
1 second, Simeon. Let me write the full question and then I'll explain you how to do it. Okay. First one is 7 and 5. Second one that you have to identify is 5 and 3. Third one that you have to identify is 5 and 8. And fourth one that you identify is 2 and 3. So until now we have studied a lot of types of angles like alternate, corresponding, supplementary, and many types of angles we have studied. So look at these pairs, look at angles 7 and 5, and identify, you have to identify that which type of angle is it forming, 7 and 5. Then look at 5 and 3. Okay, 5 is here, 3 is there. Then identify which type of angle it's forming. Okay, so like that you have to do. No one is going to unmute and tell right now. Write it first in your notebook and then I'll ask you all. Okay. Yes, write in your notebook and then I'm going to ask. Okay.
Sorry, the thing left. I didn't hear the last part you had said.
You didn't hear the last part I was saying. I'm sorry, I was saying that you have to look at the angles and identify which type of angle it is. Okay, out of the types of angles
Ma'am?
that you studied, you have to identify. Yes,
So,
Cedric, don't give me the answer right now. Yes,
Ma'am, I'm not
Simran.
giving answer. Ma'am, where is 6? Ma'am, you only wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Where is 6?
6 is not there in this diagram. Okay, you don't have to worry
6
about
is there,
6
but
and
we
the
don't
others.
use it.
Yes, because we are not using it, so I haven't mentioned it. Okay. Yes, Amin.
Which pair is for who?
Which pair is for who? 7 and 5 means a pair of angles 7 and 5. Look in the diagram and check angles 7 and 5. What type of angle is it forming? Similarly, 5 and 3.
Ma'am, I'm
5
done
and 3 is
trying.
one pair. Okay, Anaya. 5
I'm
and
done.
3 is one pair. So look at 5 and 3 and then identify which type of angle is it forming. Like that you have to do. Okay.
Ma'am?
After, like, what is the, like, how do we give the answer?
How do you get the answer? You have to identify. It can be
No, how
corresponding,
do
it
we
can
give
be
the answer?
alternate, it can be like it will be a type of an angle that I
Ma'am,
have
ma'am.
taught. Okay. Okay,
Ma'am?
Abraham. Like it. 1 second, Edric. Like it can be alternate, it can be supplementary, it can be corresponding, it can be interior. Like that, you have to give the answer. Okay, Samir? Okay. A little bit time more I'm giving to you, Samir, because everyone is done. So please do it, and then we'll discuss it.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
done.
Done? Okay. All right.
I'm
So,
done. I'm
o-
done.
okay, Edric. So I will ask to y'all, okay, and you guys have to tell me. Only the one whom I will ask will tell, okay? Yes, Abraham. What is the first one? Angle 7 and angle 5. Which
Ma'am,
type of angle?
ma'am, 7 and 5 is alternative, ma'am, is because 5 and 7. But they will not equal to the same is because the lines are not parallel.
How much longer is the
Alternate.
class?
How much long is the class? 40 minutes. Regular timing. Okay. Yes. So very good, Abraham. Good. Yes, Anaya. What's the second one? 5 and 3.
Corresponding, ma'am, because they're on the same side of the transversal.
Corresponding. Very good. Because they are on the same side of the transversal. Well done. Okay. Yes, Simeen. What is the third one? 5 and 8.
They're interior angles
Interior. Why?
because they are both on one side of the transversal and they are both between the two lines.
Yes. 5 and 8 are interior angles. Good, Simeen. And yes, Edric, the last one, 2 and 3.
Ma'am, 2 and 3 are vertically opposite angles.
Good. Vertically opposite angles there. Well done, guys. Very good. So this is how we identify. We can identify from a diagram that which kinds of angles are being formed. Okay. This is how we can identify if it's forming alternate or corresponding interior, vertically opposite or supplementary or anything. Okay. This is how we can find out. All right. Any questions, any doubts?
Yes, ma'am, a question. How is 2 and 3 vertically opposite?
How is 2 and 3 vertically opposite? When two lines are intersecting each other, okay, when two lines are intersecting each other, 1 minute, intersecting each other, the angle which is formed opposite to each other are known as vertically opposite angles. Suppose this is angle 1, 2, and this is 3 and 4. So 1 and 2,
Vertically opposite are always equal.
yes, are vertically opposite, and 3 and 4 are vertically opposite. Okay, because they are forming on the opposite
Why
when the
did
two
you write
lines are
zero,
intersecting.
eh?
Ma'am, wrong, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 and 4
Ye-
are vertically opposite, 2 and 3 are vertically opposite.
No, 1 and 2 are.
Because I have, yes, Edric, 1 and 2 are vertically opposite. Okay, look at the numbering that I've given to the angles. Okay,
Ma'am,
yes, VOA is the short of vertically opposite angles. Okay, Simya?
ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
all
1 and
right.
4. Ma'am, 1 and 4 are vertically opposite. See this. 1
I
and
think
4.
he means the one above,
1 and yeah.
the
I
angle above.
yeah, I meant that top one. I meant the
Yeah,
top
he
one.
means the first one, ma'am. You're referring to the second one.
Yeah, the one which you asked us
Okay,
identify the angle.
Yeah, I
okay,
meant top
okay,
one
okay.
only.
Okay,
Top
this
one.
one, this one. Yes, yes, that is right, Edric. 1 and 4 are also vertically opposite angles, and 2 and 3 are vertically opposite angles in the main diagram, in the main figure. I thought you were talking about the one I just need to explain. That is VOA, vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now, one question, very interesting question we are going to try out. Okay, what you have to do, you have to find the measure of the angles in that question. Okay, you know that supplementary angles, the total is how much? How much is the total of
Ma'am,
supplementary?
180.
Yes. Okay. So, like this, we know that how much total is going to come. We know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So, one diagram I'm going to show you, and you have to find out the measures of the angles which I'll ask. Okay. I'm going to erase this. So, this is how the diagram goes. Just a minute.
Are you taking those lines from somewhere or are you just randomly drawing them?
Ma'am has a
There
straight line.
is
Some straight line. Ma'am,
there is an option to draw shapes in whiteboard sharing. There is an option that you can draw any shape you want. Okay. And the diagrams that I'm taking are from the book. Okay, they are from your course which we are practicing. All right. Yes. Now, because similar questions I will be giving you to try out. But before that, I want to practice them with you. Okay. So this is let's name the angles. This one is angle U, which is 110 degree. Okay, 110 degree. And then this is angle B.
Do we have to draw this, ma'am?
Yes, you can draw this one. Okay. Then you have angle X.
And do these have to be exact?
Do these have to be? No, no, no. No, Abraham. You don't have to measure and draw it. Just draw the lines in the way I have made it and mark the angles. Okay. X. And then this is angle Y. Okay. And this is angle Z. Okay. So angle U is 110 degree. Find angle B, angle X, angle Y, and angle Z. Okay. Find the measure of all the rest of the four angles. Okay. In this question also, you have to first identify that U I'm having. So what I can do with angle U? Okay, which property of like pairs of angles I can use to calculate
ma'am,
the other one.
ma'am,
Then with the
first you
help
can
of
use
that
the
other one,
vertically opposite. First you can use the vertically opposite.
yes, Cedric, first finish it up completely, okay? And then I'll ask you, okay? Till then, don't say anything. Try it on your own.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
Mhm.
Okay.
Not done, ma'am.
You can do Abraham and Ayan and all of y'all. You can do it. I'm giving y'all time, okay? Do it.
Ma'am, I have no idea how to solve this.
Um, why do you have to solve this?
I got it.
You got it? Okay. Yes, Anaya. What's your question?
I was saying that I don't know how to solve this. I'm not able to.
Okay, it's all right. No problem. We will discuss. Okay, I'll explain. Yes, Abraham. Um, hope you were able to do. Finish.
Yes, ma'am, I'm able to do, ma'am. I just have to find out the last two angles.
Okay, do it and then let me know when you are done. So we'll discuss.
It's so easy for me.
But how do you find angle X because you don't know angle Z?
How do you find angle X
No
because you
angle
don't
Y
know
either.
angle Z? Angle Y is there, yes.
Oh wait,
First
sorry, I
find
got it.
the.
I got it.
Okay, do it then. Do it, Samir.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to discuss it right now.
Ma'am, ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Last angle is there.
Okay, Abraham, please make it quick.
Oh, ma'am, thank you.
Okay, yes. So what's angle B, Abraham?
Ma'am, angle V equals to 110 is because of what will be opposite angles.
Yes. So angle U and angle V, if you can see here, are forming vertically opposite angles. So angle U will be equal to angle V, that is equals to 110 degree, because vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. So yes, Simeon. Okay, Abraham. Yes, Simeon. Then what is angle Y, Simeon?
Angle Y is also 110 degrees
Why?
because the two lines are parallel.
Because the two lines are parallel. Y is also 110 degree, that is right. But the reason, can you think of it again? Can you see what angle U and Y are forming?
Yeah, I forgot the name. I got confused. I forgot the name.
Ma'am, I know the name, ma'am.
It's I is it corresponding?
Yes, Simeon, yes. It's corresponding.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. So angle U will
And
be
in
equal
parallel
to
lines, they both are equal.
angle Y, that's equal to 110. And the reason is that corresponding angles are equal. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Will x be 70?
Will x be 70? Yes, Anaya, x will be 70.
Ma'am,
Can you give me the reason? 1 second, Hendrik. Can you give me the reason for it, Anaya?
Because v and x are interior angles, and interior angles make up the sum of 180, and v is 110.
Very good. That is correct. Because if we do v plus x, that's equal to 180 degree. Because sum of interior angles are equal. Sorry, interior angles is 180 degree. Is 180 degree.
You
So
could
we know
also
that v is
put it as
110.
Then, ma'am,
y.
even angle z will be 70, right, ma'am? Because it's vertically opposite.
Yes, that is right. 180 degree minus 110 degree. That is 70 degree. Okay. And the last one, that is angle Z. Yes, Edric. Can
It will
you
be
ma'am, z is
tell?
70.
70, ma'am.
Yes. So angle Z is equal to angle X is equals to 70 degree because they are vertically.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, ma'am, all the angles are either 110 or 70.
Yes, they are either 110 or 70. So now, just a minute. Yes. So V I have is 110 here. Okay. And Z is all Z here. Sorry, Y. Y is how much?
It's 110.
110. Very good. Y is also 110. And then X is how much? 180 minus 110. So Z will also be 70 degree. Okay. So this is how we will calculate the measurement of the angle. Okay. We can see if it's corresponding. We can see if it's forming vertically opposite. We can see if they are interior angles. So we subtract the other one from 180. Okay. We will see if they are like alternate angles or any types of angles. We will check that out. Okay. And we can find the measure like this. Okay. So we stop here. All right. That's all for the math class today. And homework is exercise 11.6. Okay. Exercise 11.6 is the homework.
11.6.
11.6. Yes, that is right. And you are having your science test right now, right? So,
Ma'am, how long is it?
how long
I mean, what is the time duration?
is it? I'll be keeping the time limit maybe 1 hour, 15 minutes or half an hour. I'll be keeping. Okay, 9 to 10 questions are there in that.
Is it that short?
It's not very short, but it's not that long too. Like it's medium. Okay,
Okay. Are there any diagrams?
and are there any diagrams? One diagram is there because only one diagram is there in that chapter. So that diagram is there. Edric,
Ma'am,
homework is 11.6.
ma'am, sorry, ma'am, I got this.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. So homework is 11.6. You can mark it. Okay, so I'll be sharing the paper in a few minutes. Okay,
Now I have a question.
all right. In a few minutes, I'll be sharing. Yes, Abraham. Ask
Mom,
it.
you didn't send any diagram.
I didn't send any diagram. Yes, I haven't sent any diagram, but in class I did it with you. In the class itself, I did
Ma'am,
one
I think
diagram. Okay.
this is the candle diagram you're talking about. It's definitely the candle diagram.
And I
It's
smart.
definitely the candle diagram.
Yeah, because
Which diagram? I didn't hear. I didn't understand.
I can't tell. Sorry, Simeon. Can I tell, ma'am?
What quest? I didn't hear anything.
Ma'am, can I tell? You don't want me to tell?
uh, you can tell him.
It's the
I
Fine.
candle
didn't know
diagram
what
because
was
that
the
was the
quest.
only diagram in chapter 10.
Yes, candle diagram is the only diagram in chapter 10.
Wait, ma'am, the candle diagram was the only diagram. Ma'am, I thought that was the thermometer even. The clinical.
No, the rest, the Abraham
That's
Thermometer
not
already
a
diagrams.
pictures.
diagram.
Those were pictures, yes, but thermometer diagram aren't they are not asked in the exam. The thermometer diagram, you draw a thermometer and show. Not really
Oh, ma'am, I was
asked
preparing
in
for
the
the
exams.
thermometer diagram.
You prepared for the thermometer diagram. Okay, so now you know how a thermometer looks like, how clinical and laboratory thermometer looks like. It's good. Anyways, okay, so I am stopping the class